Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Islamic Bloom. Have you ever wondered how helping others can not only bring positive change to their lives, but also heal your own heart and soul? In this first lecture of our Healing Through Helping series, we'll explore the profound benefits of helping others for you, your community, and your relationship with Allah. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content from Islamic Bloom. Islam places great emphasis on helping others. Allah says in the Quran, "And do good indeed. Allah loves the doers of good." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:195. Helping others isn't just a kind gesture, it's an act of worship that connects us to Allah and strengthens our faith. When we extend a hand to someone in need, we're not just improving their lives, but nurturing our own souls. Did you know that helping someone can release endorphins in your brain, making you feel happier? It's scientifically proven and spiritually fulfilling. Benefits of helping others. 1. Spiritual growth. Helping others earns the pleasure of Allah and strengthens our bond with Him. 2. Emotional healing. Acts of kindness bring inner peace and reduce stress and anxiety. 3. Strengthened community. A strong community is built when its members care for each other. What's the most memorable act of kindness you've experienced or offered? Share it in the comments and inspire others. Practical ways to help others. Here are a few simple yet impactful ways you can help. 1. Give charity. Even a small amount can make a big difference. 2. Share knowledge. Teach someone something useful. 3. Be there for someone. Offer emotional support to a friend or neighbor. 4. Volunteer. Dedicate your time to causes that benefit your community. Remember, no act of kindness is too small in the eyes of Allah. Which of these actions will you take this week to help someone? Let us know in the comments. Helping others is a journey of healing for both the giver and the receiver. By incorporating this practice into our lives, we not only please Allah, but also build a more compassionate world. This act of service brings peace to the heart, strengthens the soul, and invites positive changes into our lives. Mufti Menk emphasizes that helping others is an act of humanity, pleasing to Allah, and a source of immense reward in the hereafter. Through real-life examples and inspiring stories, we learn how small gestures can leave a lasting impact, encouraging us to make this a consistent part of our lives. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Islamic Bloom for more lectures in the Healing Through Helping series. May Allah bless you for your efforts. See you in the next lecture. Jazakallah khair.